So question 9 tests our knowledge of standard form or scientific notation in general. We've got a rainwater tank containing that number of raindrops. I'm not quite certain how they work that out. And the tank also contains that number of bacteria. Work out the number of bacteria per raindrop. Give your answer in standard form correct to two significant figures. Okay, so we've just got to divide the number of bacteria by the number of raindrops. So A works out to be this sum. Now, yes, you could plug that all into a calculator, but just do the tens on their own in your head. So this is 1.75 divided by 2.4, which is what you will put into the calculator. And this is multiplied by, well, you've got 6 on the top and 7 on the bottom, so this will be 10 to the minus 1. And this turns out to be 0.72916, and on it goes, multiplied by 10 to the minus 1. They only need two significant figures, so this turns into 0.73, the cutoff point being here, multiplied by 10 to the minus 1. But that is not in standard form. To be in standard form, I have to have one number on the left-hand side of the decimal point. So this turns into 7.3 multiplied by 10 to the minus 2. And that will be your answer. Let's have a look at part B. A drop of rainwater, they suggest, contains that number of atoms. And we've got that number of raindrops. But we're also told the number of atoms is 3 times the number of molecules, and we've been asked to estimate the number of molecules in this rainwater tank. Okay, so we've got to divide our result of multiplying the raindrops by the number of atoms by 3. So let's just set all that out. So again, don't splodge all that into a calculator. Do it this way. 2.4 multiplied by 5.01 divided by 3. Now gather the tens up. So this is multiplied by, we've got 10 to the 7 and 10 to the 21. So this is multiplied by 10 to the 28. You see, you're almost preserving the standard form nature of the sum. Work out the left-hand side, and I get an answer of 4.008 multiplied by 10 to the 28. So approximating down to one significant figure, this is 4 multiplied by 10 to the 28. And that is your answer.